What's up guys, another day, another leak. Samsung is back at it again with the Galaxy S11. The fresh leaks are at your doorstep. I know some people will be commenting that the Note 10 just got announced, but you know what, Samsung, they can't keep calm. The start of the next generation is about to begin with the S11 and we have some awesome news today. First one is the confirmation of diversity. I am so happy to hear that there are indeed 3 models for the Galaxy S11 series, the SM-G981, G986, and G988. This means that there will be a Galaxy S11 along with the S11 Plus and our favorite S11e. The S10e this year was a great addition, and next year Samsung is still bringing that cheap model with pretty much the same specs as the higher priced Galaxy S11 variant, so it's gonna be pretty exciting seeing the trio back in the game. And what's even more exciting is that this time there might not be a 5G variant because all these 3 smartphones are expected to bring built-in 5G capability. That is a huge news indeed. Next year, the 5G adoption rate will be much better compared to what we have this year. So most likely you'll see 5G getting adopted much faster compared to what happened with 4G. Within this tweet, we have another bombshell, which is Samsung is building another Galaxy Fold. This might not be a big surprise because we have seen countless patents recently that Samsung is indeed working on another Galaxy Fold device. It could have a drastically different design such as outward folding similar to Mate X. Again, we'll see what Samsung will truly bring to the table with the next generation of the Galaxy Fold. The model number mentioned for the next Fold device is SM-F7100F. In the light of recent events, Ice Universe also tweeted out the incredible but expected news, which is that Samsung is about to mass produce the best OLED display this generation has ever seen. The OLED material M10 is for the Galaxy S11 family. The M10 material will be further next level than what we already have on the Samsung Galaxy S10 and Note 10 family. Honestly, after using the Note 10, I mean, it is the best display on any smartphone, and it's also the best looking smartphone out there right now. Within this tweet, Ice Universe also revealed that this is going to be the same display tech that Samsung will be bringing to iPhone 11 series. So Galaxy S11 will indeed rock another level of OLED madness, and that is the new M10 OLED material. Along with this, I really hope that Samsung brings 120 or even 90 Hz of refresh rate. Also in the news, Samsung is about to release its first 64-megapixel camera smartphone. Yes, according to Wi-Fi Alliance, the model number SM707F is the phone linked with Galaxy A70s, and it's gonna be Samsung's first ever smartphone with the 64-megapixel ISOCELL bright GW1 sensor. This camera is already coming with Realme XT and another Xiaomi phone, so at this point Samsung has to bring its own phone with this sensor as well. So A70s is very near to its official release. Along with the A70s, we're gonna see the A30s and the A50s. So Samsung is bringing a lot more smartphones than I initially expected. As for the specs, the A70s will be similar to Galaxy A70. Everything will be the same. It's just the camera that Samsung is upgrading. So that's all the latest news regarding the Galaxy S11. The most advanced OLED display ever will be on S11 family. The diversity is confirmed. We're gonna see 3 models and they all could have built-in 5G. And on top of that, Samsung is building another foldable phone. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.